Good morning. I am Eliezer A. Ciriaco and I am going to present my assignment in HTML. So this is our assignment. Our assignment is to create a website using the basic HTML tags. And this is the output or my first website as my assignment in HTML. So what you can see in this HTML file is the logo, the navigation, a sample paragraph, a heading, a form, an HTML form, which is composed of text fields, radio buttons, text areas, checkboxes, and drop-down list, and a button. I also created a table, sample table, and a description of the table. So this is just an example of a table in HTML. Then I also created a footer. This is my footer. It is just a list of links, an ordered list of links. So let's go to my code. So to do, I created a HTML file using the transitional XHTML 1.0. I didn't use the latest, which is HTML5. So I have a head tag. So I have a head tag and a body tag. Then in the head tag, you can see the title. Then I declared meta description and meta keywords. Then for the body, I created a wrapper that will wrap all the elements or all the contents of my web page. Then I divided the the elements using the div tag, create divisions. For example, in the header division or header div, I included in the header div the logo, which is the image source for my logo. Then I created another division for the navigation. Then I also created a I also add a horizontal rule to separate the divisions. Next is I created a content wrapper. So the content wrapper, it wraps the content. So for the website, so this is the header. For the header is this one. So and the contents are this one, and this division is for the footer. So for the contents, I have the left content and right content. I have two divisions inside the content wrapper. So for the left content, I created this is a heading, the lorem ipsum for my heading. So for my heading. Then I created a paragraph. So this is a sample paragraph. Then it is located in the left content. Then for the right content, I created a sample form. So I created a heading. So this is the heading H1. It is bigger than H2. Then I created a form. So in the form, I created a label for username. So this is the label. Then this is the input username type. So this is the input tag is the text field. Then this is the label. So the purpose of the label is when I click the text, it will focus the input field or the input field. Then I have a gender using radio buttons. So the radio buttons have the same name. Then I also have a label for my comments. Then I use text area. Then I assigned the columns to be 30 30 and the rows is 10. Then I created a label for likes. Then I created check boxes. Then put it in an ordered list. Then I created location. Then I created a drop down list using the select tag. of HTML. Then I created a sample input hidden field, then which is and the value is hidden. Then I created a submit button using the input type submit, and the reset button using the input type reset. Then below I created another horizontal rule, so this one after the forms, just to separate or just to show the divisions. Then after that I created a sample table, the sample table. So basically the parts of a table is the T head, then the T body, then in the T head I created a row, table row, and I created headings, so using the th tags. And the body I created example, so table row, then these are the datas inside the table. So this is the heading th, then this is the data inside the table. Then below the table I created a description. I use bold, italic, B or I tags. So this is a bold and italicized text. Then I also created a sample paragraph just to show the effect of span. So it is not very clear what span, but if I implement CSS in my codes, I can easily format this text between the span tags. Then after that I created another horizontal rule. So this is the horizontal rule, and to show the division between the footer and my contents. Then this is my footer, it is a division. Then I created another navigation in my footers. Then the navigation is in an unordered list. Then this is it. So this is my assignment. Thank you.